G'day, this is Ray. Welcome or welcome back to another episode about life in Thailand. Today I'm going to talk about the steps to permanent residence. But before we begin, if you are retiring in Chiang Rai and need help, my wife Jen is a great time, stress and money saving resource. Her contact details are in the description below. Now let's get on with the topic. To obtain permanent residence in Thailand, you must meet certain criteria and go through a process administered by the Royal Thai Immigration Commission. Here are the steps and requirements. First is eligibility. A foreign national may qualify to apply for a residence permit if he or she 1.1 holds a passport of his or her current nationality which was granted a non-immigrant visa and has been permitted to stay in the Kingdom of Thailand on the basis of one-year visa extensions for a total of at least 3 consecutive years up to the application submission date. 1.2 has personal qualifications that fit one of the following categories. 1. Investment category. 2. Working business category. 3. Humanity reasons category. He or she must have a relationship with a Thai citizen or an alien who already possesses a residence permit, such as a legal husband or wife, a legal father or mother, or a child who is single and under 20 years of age up to the application submission date. 4. An expert category. 5. Extra circumstances on a case-by-case basis. The horse's mouth on this process is in the description below. The application process. Gather the required documents. This is a lot of work, so allow plenty of time. There's no room for error. If one document is missing, your application can be denied. There's a link to the required documents in the description. Next, apply for a Thai residence permit at a local Thai immigration office. Then you will attend an interview and take a multiple choice test, both of which are in the Thai language. Once the application is accepted by immigration and the interview has been completed, it will be sent off to the Ministry of Interior. At this point, the approval process becomes more obscure, given that it is totally at the discretion of the Minister of the day to sign Thai permanent residency approvals. Pay the Thai permanent residence permit processing fee of 7,600 baht. Wait for the processing of your application. The average processing time for a Thailand permanent resident visa is between 5 and 6 months. However, the approval process can take up to a year. Once the application is accepted by immigration and the interview is completed, it will be sent off to the Ministry of Interior. At this point, the approval process becomes more obscure, given that it is totally at the discretion of the Minister of the day to sign Thai permanent residency approvals. If your application fee is successful, you will be required to pay an additional fee of 191,400 Thai baht. However, if you have a Thai spouse or are under 20 years old with a parent who has Thai citizenship or permanent residency, the fee is reduced to 95,700 baht. It is also important to note that the fees may vary depending on individual circumstances. Finally, if your application is approved, you will be issued a residence blue book. You must then register your place of residence in Thailand at the local AMPER and obtain a house registration. It's important to note that the annual quota for granting permanent residency in Thailand is a maximum of 100 persons per country, and the application period usually runs from October to the end of December. Please consult with the Royal Thai Immigration Commission or a reputable immigration lawyer for the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding permanent residency in Thailand. So what are the benefits of having Thai permanent residency? You can live permanently in Thailand without the need to apply for an extension of stay. You can buy a condominium without making a bank transfer from abroad. You'll have easier access to a work permit. You will not have to submit 90-day reports. You can buy property in Thailand without having to transfer funds from abroad. You will get an alien registration certificate. You will have your name on a house registration document. You can apply for an extended stay for your non-Thai family members. Your children will get Thai citizenship if you have children in Thailand. You'll be one step closer to Thai citizenship, which offers various benefits if you plan to make Thailand your permanent home. You can apply for Thai citizenship by naturalization after 5 years. Okay, if there's something in particular you'd like to know about living in Thailand, put it in the comments below and I'll endeavor to satisfy your curiosity. Okay folks, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. A big thanks to those of you who bought me a coffee, and I hope you got value from this video. Until the next video, share this video, take care, and bye for now.